Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, now we'll talk about being patient. Some of us are too much in a hurry to do work when you play or when you do anything, whether it's a drawing or painting, doing work or working out a puzzle. Some of us get bored easily. We are too much in a hurry. But today we're going to talk about being patient. You win a lot of things, and it is good to be patient, to practice patience. Okay, so I must be patient. I must learn how to be patient, not only with myself, but with the people around, friends, parents, my sister, brother. Okay, so I must be patient. And that's what we're going to talk about. I must be patient. Now, I'll tell you a little story about how a little tree was so patient. Now, once in a lovely little forest, there were all kinds of trees, big trees, small trees, fat trees, fruit trees, all kinds of trees, mango trees, teak, banyan, all the trees that you can name was there, and it was a lovely little forest. But there was a tree, nice, huge, large tree, but it was a lovely tree, but it was crooked. It did not stand straight, it was crooked. So what did the other trees say? Look at that tree. Look at us. We are nice and lovely and beautiful. Look at this tree, crooked. Who will come and be under that? Who? Look at that. And they made fun of it. And the poor crooked tree was very sad because nobody liked the tree. Everybody made fun, mocked at it. There was a day when a woodcutter came along that part of the forest. And the woodcutter, he looked at all the trees and he wanted to cut some trees for himself. So he went to each tree, fine looking tree, tall and sturdy, he cut one by one. When he came near this crooked tree, the woodcutter said, no good, I don't want this tree. So the crooked tree saw other trees being cut by the woodcutter. Then he said to himself, good that I am crooked. So waiting patiently for your time will come. Being patient, it really helps. Patience really rewards. That's what the story says. So the crooked tree, though all the trees laughed and made fun of, finally, because he was patient, because he was crooked, he was rewarded. The woodcutter did not want him. And that is it. In our play, in our dealing with parents, our little brothers, sisters, work in the house, while at play, indoors, outdoors, I must learn to be patient. Yes, and patience, finally, it will reward you. It will help you in the long run. So, the first thing we need to remember is, I must be patient. When? When I do my homework. When, remember the sound? When I do my homework. My homework is my own work. So what must you do? Why do we say, I must be patient? You must do it slowly, not hurried work, anyhow done. You must do it slowly, nicely. What you are doing is homework, learning for life. So get support from your parents or teacher, but doing homework, I must do it how? Patiently. I must be patient when I do my homework. When you do your work patiently, you will learn better, you remember better. And you remember the sound of W, wa, wa. And I, E, D, da, 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 da. M, and H, wa. When I do my homework. When else you need to be patient? When you take care, mommy says, oh, I'm so busy. I got a lot of work. Could you please take care of your little brother or sister? What must you do? That time you need to be patient. They're tiny, they're small. So, I must be patient when I take care. When I take care of my little brother or sister. Care of my little sister or brother. Brother or sister. Now, brother, sister, tiny. They're tiny, they're small. Yes, so you need to be careful with them. When I take care of my little brother or sister, I must be patient. Mommy says, leave your play, leave your writing, leave your reading, be with, take care, look after. How? Patiently. Play with the little brother or sister patiently till mommy comes and takes over. Now, being with the little brother, sister, being patient will really reward you, help you. When else can you be patient? Practice patience. When you play with your friends, close friends. You will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 special friends, special circle of friends. And when you play with them, you need to be patient. You shouldn't shout at them. You shouldn't hurt them. So, third one is when I play with my close friends. When I play with my close friends. You shouldn't send away your friend in angry mood. So practicing patience. You must take time off. Calm. When you play, don't be rough. Don't hurt. Especially your close friend. So these are times you are taking time off from yourself and say, okay, I am like this, I will try to be patient. When I do my homework, I will do it slowly and nicely. When I take care of my sister or brother, I will be patient. And when I play with my close friends, I'll be doubly careful. I will not be rough with them. I will not hurt them. Now, you are going in a school bus or a school van. You need to practice patience there. How? When my school van or bus comes, you must be patient. So, I must be patient when I wait. What do you do? When I wait for my school van. It can be van or it can be bus. So when do you practice patience? How will you practice here? I must be patient while waiting. How do you wait? You wait in a line, a queue. So when I wait for my school van or bus, I practice patience. Not as soon as you see a bus or a van, you rush. Then you won't be safe. You can cause accidents. Or you push your friends and you want to go first. Always be calm, be patient, so that you wait for your turn. Next, when else can you be practicing patience? I must be patient when I help my younger sister or brother in her study. Now you have a little brother or little sister who's studying in a smaller class, then you must be patient in helping her to do her little work. So when you practicing patience, when I help my little brother with his work, my little brother with his work, with his work. Then what are you doing? You are practicing patience by being patient with him. Okay? Now look at all the ways you can practice patience. I am a little girl, I am a little boy. So what do? I must be patient. When? I must be patient when I do my personal work, my homework. I must be patient. I must be patient when I take care of my little brother or sister when my mom is busy. I must be patient when I play with my close friends. I shouldn't hurt them. I shouldn't be rough. Then I must be patient when I wait for my turn to get into the school van or school bus. I must stand in the queue, not rush. I can practice patience when I help my little sister, my little brother to do her or his work. Alright? So, now all the sounds, W sound you know, W, P, you know P, little, little. Then help, help, wait, school, brother. So you remember the sound as you read aloud. So when else can we practice patience? You can practice patience. You can be a patient little girl when you are playing with your puzzle. When you learn to solve your puzzle, not in a hurried manner, slow, complete it, not leave halfway. So I must learn to be patient. When I solve my puzzle, got a little game with you, and you patiently taking time off to complete the puzzle. Patience, every work that you do, you must be slow and proper. Okay, then when else can you show up that you are a patient little girl or boy? When listening to my grandparents, elders. So, I must be patient when listening to my grandparents. They are old. When listening to my grandparents, what do? Be patient, they are old. They love you. So you must practice patience. Learn to be. I must be patient when I am listening to my grandparents. So then what will the grandparents say? Wow, what a patient little boy. I'm so old. He's listening. She's listening to me. She's doing what I say. Wow, wonderful little girl. So I must be patient when I solve, when I am solving, when I am playing with my puzzle. I must be patient when when listening, to my grandparents. When else can you be a patient little girl or a boy? When eating my meal. That's very important. When I must be patient when eating my meal. That's a very, very important point. When eating my food anytime, any food anytime. Okay? Any food that you eat, you must not eat hurriedly. Be patient, be slow. Otherwise, you can get into trouble. So, when eating your meals, learn to chew, go slow. When else can you be patient? I must be patient when taking care of my pets. Yes, that's very good. I must be patient when taking care of my pets. Can be any pet, can be a fish or a bird or a little animal, anything. So when you have a little pet in the house, then what must you do? You must be patient while you're feeding, while taking out for a walk or playing with it. Be gentle with them. Then next, you can be patient. You should be patient. Very important. When crossing the road, you just cannot run across. So, when you are on the road and you want to go on the other side, you must say to yourself, I must be patient while crossing the road. I must be patient while crossing. Get someone to help you while crossing the road. Can be a policeman or an older person or anyone who is crossing the road with you. So, you show that you are patient. How? I must be patient when? While crossing the road. Being safe while crossing the road. Where else can you show up that you must be patient? I must be patient while playing a game. Any game. It can be, the game should be played not rough, not pushing everyone. So, you must practice patience. I must be patient while playing outside or inside, whatever, while playing a game with friends. When you are playing a game, you must show up that you are patient. Sometimes teacher gives you a group activity, or in the house when you have a party, you have a group game. That is another place where you show that you are patient. So I must be patient while working on a group activity. While working on a group activity or group project, on a group project. You need to be patient. You need to be listening to your friends, listening to others' ideas and say, okay, fine, we'll do like this. So, any work you do, whether it is looking after your little brother or helping your little sister or going out or helping mummy, doing your homework, anything, what must you do? You are trying to be patient. Unless you are patient, things won't work. Unless you are patient, others won't love you. So, I am a little girl, or I am a little boy, I must be patient. When I solve my puzzle, any little game, any puzzle, I must be patient. Not in a hurry and say, no, I can't do it. I must be patient when listening to my grandparents. They are old, they are elderly. Whether it's grandparents or elderly people, I must learn to be patient. I must be patient when eating my meal anytime. Eat slowly. Don't rush up. Then I must be patient when I am taking care of my pet, my little pet. I must be patient. I must be patient while crossing the road so that I am not hurt. I get a help from a policeman, I get help from elders or somebody else who is crossing the road. When else? I must be patient while playing a game outside, either a group game or individual. I must be patient. Finally, I must be patient while working in a group with my friend to do a project, or working in a group to play a big game, anything in group work. Learn to listen, that is being patient. So just like the tree, the crooked tree that was so patiently waiting for time, finally the tree was saved. You too, when you are patient while crossing the road, while getting the school bus, doing your homework, working on your puzzle, talking to grandparents, taking care of your pet, taking care of your sister, when you practice patience, everybody will love you. We not only read, but we also must every time remember the sound. The sound helps us to read better. The W sound, wa, when. Okay, when. Then where else we have? Yeah, wa, when. When you say wa, wind, what? Then I have I here. I is Inky the mouse, E. What is the sound of I? E. Then you have S sound, snake, solve, my, p, pig, pinky. Remember, puzzle. Then you have the sound L sound, lollipop, listening, t. Remember, two, my, then grandparent, g. Then we have here wa sound, eating. Then you have my meals. Then here, when, t, taking, k, sound k, care of my pet. P again you have. Then you have again here wa, while. Then you have here k sound, crossing, t sound, the. Then you have road. Then finally you have wa sound here, p, playing, a. Then you have g, game. Then again lastly you have wa, while, when, wind, working, o sound is o. Then you have a. Then again you have g sound, group, p, project, p. Remember your sound, then you will pronounce it, read it better.